There's Lance and Andrea. Where's little Gavin? Oh, there's little Gavin over there. Andrea.
It's fun or what?
He about wrecked. He about tipped it. That was pretty cool. I'm glad my kids weren't on there. Yeah. Oh look, all the other little kids are starting to get the same concept that Taylor did, but they don't know how to do it. They're trying to...
Who needs the fork? Right. Okay.
That'd be cool. As long as I don't gain any of this weight back that I'm losing,
Ethan!
I'll be fine.
I'm making perfect little eggs.
Now behave.
Here, I won't
Now behave. I'm
Perfect.
videoing.